Hi, welcome to InTradeVest. We trade futures, we trade the NASDAQ, and we trade the ES. First, we have our disclaimer. Don't trade with money that you can't afford to lose, because even though things look awfully good, you never know. You never know what's going to happen next. You got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing. So that's our disclaimer. Let me get over to our charts and show you what we got going today. Okay, so today we traded exclusively the NQ. I'm going to just show you some of our trades and what happened. We made $800 today trading. And you can see how the market opened overnight, what it did. It was down. And then what it did during the regular trading hours, which was right here. The market opened at 6:30 my time, Pacific. We got off to a good start. We took a very fast trade over here as the NASDAQ was coming down. This was not a trade for the faint of heart. This was not an easy trade. We took it on this bar coming down and took it and came out with, I believe, 10 points. Then the market came down and found support right here. And we can see there's plenty of support in this area right here. So we took a trade right over here and brought it up in this direction. We knew it was going to be coming back up to the prior swing high. Didn't take this trade going down because we didn't know how high it would go. The market could have gone higher or it could have gone down. In this case, it came down right back down to the same support level. So we took a trade, two trades right here, right off of this key level here. First trade made, I think, 10, 15 points, maybe 20. I think it was, I don't remember how many. Let me see. 780, 20 points right here. And the market came right back down again. We got a little bit lucky. We took the trade again and bought exactly the same price again, 780, and got out at 11,804.25, which is again a little over 20 points. Came down, took 20, came down, took 20. Got a little bit lucky there, but this area was really holding well. Another thing to notice is that on this turn down, the market did not go higher than this previous swing high. So there's a good chance that it could have come lower, but we saw a lot of support over here. So we weren't afraid to take a chance here, and we didn't have any idea how high it was going to get, but we knew that there was going to support and it was going to be support down here. There was no heavy volume coming in to sell through. And we didn't know how high up it was going to get. We felt it was going to go up to here and then retrace, because if it was going to go higher, it normally would have done it here and pushed higher, but it didn't, which gave the idea that the market was pausing. So it came down. We took a position again. This one, we sold off this position. We waited for the market to get up here, and we had our order in to short the market right here, which is right at this point. So we shorted 847, and the market closed at 847 right there. So we took a short right here, and you can see that the market was going sideways all this time, but our trade, we got out right here. So the market was chopping right through here, and then we got out right here because it was getting late in the day and we didn't know what was going to happen next. You know, it could have gone down further, but it's already tested the market bottom twice. There's a chance it could have gone up, and the ES was moving up and it was not coming down. So we didn't want to take a chance. So this trade here also worked out quite well. We got it in 847 on a short and exited 833.75. So all in all of our trades were successful today based on support and resistance in a very good choppy market. We ended up with $1,800. We use also our trend strength and trend direction as well, but we really like to look at the chart itself to see what's going on, to make sense of what everything. Got to keep your eyes on the ball. So if you want to learn more about what we're doing, come into our trading room. Let me show you where that is. Okay, our website is intradevest.weebly.com. And we offer trading in our trading room, auto trading, and we could even send signals to you in real time. We've got a great track record. So far, we're up. Well, this is not finished. TradeVest. Okay. Didn't put in today's trade. It's actually over 1,800. So we're close to 2,000 for the month so far, a little behind. We're doing quite well so far in September, over 9,000. In August, over almost 7. July, 9. June, 7,500. In May, 3,200. Now, these are exceptional months because of the NASDAQ has been doing so well. So just keep that in mind. But we've been having some good positive results so far. And we're happy to teach our method. Anyone who wants to come in our room. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial. No charge on your credit card, nothing. If you like how we trade, then we charge $2.99 monthly. But I got to tell you something. With how we've been trading and what we teach, you should be able to make that in a day or less. We have some really good instruction in our room. We go over because every single day is different. The market never comes back and gives us the same day. But there are patterns in the market, and there are ways of looking at the market that you need to have that experience, know what to look for. Some days the market's just going to trend wildly in one direction or the other, and other days the market is going to chop, and we don't know which day is going to be what. But every single day, a trader gets ready, sits in front of his computer, and is ready to trade. So we have to find those signals which make the most sense, where we're putting the least amount of risk on. Now, in my case today, when you saw my trades, I had those trades on before the market got there. I didn't chase the market or wait. Those trades were there before the market got there, and I had limit orders placed. That is great trading, because then you're trading with a high sense of confidence. So you want a system with a lot of confidence, minimal risk, high reward. And not every day goes like that, but you want to read the market, and we're here to work with you, show you how we trade, show you our indicators, how they work. In some cases, we can take a trend and ride it all the way out. We can catch it early. So all that's possible. If you've been having some questions about your own trading, it's understandable. Trading takes so much time and effort to figure out. And so if you have someone that's a good trader and been doing it for a long time, knows what they're doing, then you want to learn from them and see what they've got. And so we opened our trading room to give people some mentorship, to show them trading the ES and the NQ, highly leveraged, that there are ways of trading it. And I know everyone is trying to figure out how to trade those futures. They move very quickly, and they're just all over the map. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose very easily. If you have one doubt in your mind as to about putting a position on, you could lose your money very quickly. So it's good to be in a room, others, and a good skilled, trader who knows what they're doing, can talk about the risk going forward and where to put the trades, what to avoid, why, because you can make a lot of money trading, you can make a very decent living trading, and you can also blow up your account. Well, listen, we hope we'll see you come into our room and take a 7-day free trial. And we appreciate that you're a trader and your interest. And thanks for listening.